Hello everybody, Miss Emily here with EBN Music, your creative and fun piano teacher for littles. I hope you're having a great day today. So today we are going to be learning how to play American Pie by Don McLean. McLean. This is really good for the youngest beginner, as young as 7 or 8 years old, but then also great for you adults as well if you want to learn it. So I hope you enjoy this. Before we get started, if you like learning piano in a fun, creative way, in an easy way, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel where I teach how to play all kinds of songs, and I do a live lesson every Tuesday as well, so join me for that. And lastly, if you want a free mini lesson, if you want to see how I teach, what I offer for my studio, my online studio, be sure to look in the description, click the link to head to that free mini lesson, and I really hope that helps you and your child learn piano. All right, so let's head to the piano and let's learn how to play American Pie. We're just going to learn the chorus today. We're going to do it very easy and slow, perfect for little hands and little fingers. Here we go. Okay, we always want to start off with the bass first because the bass is our heartbeat. So we're going to start with our left hand, and we're in the key of G, and we're just going to use our number 5 finger and our number 1 finger. For little hands, this is often easier to do. So we're going to use our 5 finger on G and our 1 finger on D. All right, so the chorus is, bye, bye, Miss American Pie, drove my Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry, and good old boys drinking whiskey and rye, singing this'll be the day that I die, singing this'll be the day that I die. Can't sing that low. There you go. So there are only 3 chords. We're going to use our, be sure to use your left hand too for this because we're going to use our right hand in a second. So we've got bye, bye, Miss American Pie. You don't have to hit that G 2 times if that's too hard. You can just go bye, bye, Miss American Pie, drove my Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. This D chord, this is our D modified chord, is played pretty quickly, so we're going to get right off of it. And good old boys drinking whiskey and rye, singing this will be, there's our E. We're going to play an E and a D, or B, sorry, E and B. This will be the day that I die, to D, and then back to E. This will be the day that I die. And there you go, that's the chorus. So it's a lot of fun. Let's take a moment. We're going to play those chords with him singing, okay? Yeah, the best way to learn songs is just to play along with them so you can practice the beat. All right, here we go.
So bye, bye, Miss American Pie, drove my Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. And them good old boys were drinking whiskey and rye, singing this'll be the day that I die. This'll be the day that I die.
So there you go. You probably heard there is a little piano riff there, but we're just interested in learning the main part today. Remember, these are for little hands, little fingers. We want to learn the main song. We just want to sound cool when we play it, right? Okay, so now that we have the heartbeat down, we're going to get the right hand ready. Okay, I'm going to be using my all 5 fingers, and I'm going to be kind of jumping around here. For little hands, this can be a little difficult when we're not used to having our hands in position right here, but the best tip is just to take this very, very slowly and to practice playing the scale. This is the scale, the G scale. Okay, so our melody, we're going to modify the melody just a little bit to make this easier. We're going to start with just our G scale. So we've got bye, bye, Miss American Pie, drove my Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry, and good old boys drinking whiskey and rye. Okay, so that is the first pattern. It's basically the same thing, right? with a little variation on the beginning part, whether we're playing 2 Ds, 2 Cs, 2 Bs. It's different each time. So just slow this video down, listen to him singing, and see if you can pick out where he changes his notes. Drove my Chevy to the levee. All of that is D. Drove my Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. And good old boys drinking whiskey and rye. Okay, so then once we do that, we're actually going to move our hand. So we're in G scale. We're going to move it to E scale so we can easily find these notes when we go, saying this will be the day. So they're saying this will be the day that I die. Saying this will be the day that I die. We're going to use something called the twist bottle. You're going to take your 2 finger and you're just twisting, just like you're twisting a bottle. Your thumb is going to stay here and you're going to twist your arm like this so you can hit that D there. Okay, let's do that whole melody one more time. Drove my Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. And good old boys drinking whiskey and rye. Moo, saying. Notice we don't play the F, right? We never play the F. Okay, so now let's try to put both together. This is where it gets a little tough sometimes, but we are going to go very slow here, okay? So remember our heartbeat. Actually, we're just going to hold out the left hand, so we're not even going to worry about doing like a beat. Bye, bye, American Pie, my sweet. That's what it sounds like all together. So now let me show you some things that might trip you up, and I'm going to give you some tips. Okay, the first tip in the melody, notice we're playing this D a lot of times. So with little hands and little fingers, sometimes when we're playing the pinky, what happens is we are too stiff. So some students, you're going to see this deal right here. They're going to be really tight and they're going to be playing their 5 finger like this, okay? You might even do that as an adult. So what we want is you want to be sure, move this elbow. Like, don't be afraid to move the elbow, because when you move the elbow, that helps keep this forearm a little bit more relaxed, gives you more freedom of movement. Bye, bye, or drove my Chevy to the levee, but the levee was. See how I moved my elbow back? So if you find yourself or your child doing this little like thing here, it's all about the arm weight right here. Be sure to move your elbow and keep this nice and relaxed. It just takes some practice. The next thing you might have noticed is I wasn't playing the melody exactly on the beat. So here's what I mean when I went, bye, bye, Miss American Pie. Okay, did you see how I did pie, boom? I did right, left. That's called syncopation. This happens a lot in pop songs. They're going to be singing a word before the downbeat, before you hit the chord, all right? You can do this one of 2 ways. You can practice that and try that, or you can just do it on the beat. Like that. So they're coordinated. Sorry, drink it, whiskey and rye. So that was syncopated. Same thing there. Die. So you can kind of choose your pattern there if you want to do it syncopated on the beat, or syncopated or on the beat. A lot of students have really good ears, so they're going to hear when it doesn't sound exactly right. And it's just about coordinating these hands to make it work. How about for good measure, let's do it again. And this time, let's play it along with Don McLean.
So bye, bye, Miss American Pie. Drove a Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. And then good old boys were drinking whiskey and rye, singing, this'll be the day that I die. This'll be the day that I die.
So there you go. It's a little bit harder to play along, but it's a lot of fun. We did modify the melody a little bit. We didn't play it exactly how he's singing it, but that was for ease of finding the beat and for keeping our hands together in a position. So that's why we did it that way. So please tell me in the comments, did you guys have fun with this? Did it help you? Most importantly, did you have fun? But also, is there anything else I can do to help you learn how to play this song a little bit better? What do your kids want to learn how to play? What do you want to learn how to play? Let me know in the comments and maybe I will do a video on it. Thank you for liking the video and subscribing to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.